All-season tires can be tricky. You want a set that grips the road in the rain, stays stable in light snow, runs quietly on dry highways, and still lasts mile after mile. Finding that balance isn't easy. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best all-season tires that deliver reliable traction, smooth comfort, and solid performance year-round. Whether you're commuting daily, taking road trips, or just want peace of mind in changing weather, these tires are truly worth your money. You'll find links to the best deals on all the tires mentioned in the description and top comment. And just so you know, these tires aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch till the end to find the one that fits your driving style best. Number 5. Michelin Defender 2. The Michelin Defender 2 is a premium all-season tire engineered for drivers who value longevity, safety, and everyday comfort, making it an excellent choice for sedans, CUVs, and SUVs that spend most of their time on paved roads. Designed around a 235/60 R18 size, with a 107 load index and H-speed rating, the Defender 2 is built to confidently handle daily commuting, long highway trips, and changing weather conditions without compromising ride quality. Michelin completely redesigned this tire to be its longest-lasting model to date, delivering exceptional durability thanks to advanced tread compounds and a symmetrical tread pattern that promotes even wear. In real-world tread wear testing, the Defender 2 outlasted 3 leading competitors by more than 25,000 miles, translating to roughly 2 extra years of usable tread life, a major benefit for families looking to reduce replacement costs over time. With a 10.5/32-inch tread depth, the tire maintains reliable traction as it wears, providing consistent braking performance in wet conditions and dependable grip in light snow. Beyond durability, the Defender 2 focuses heavily on comfort, offering a quiet, smooth, and well-damped ride that makes long drives less fatiguing. Its optimized construction reduces road noise while maintaining stable handling and predictable steering response, even during sudden stops or emergency maneuvers. Whether you're navigating rainy highways, dry city streets, or mild winter conditions, the Michelin Defender 2 delivers balanced all-season performance with the confidence Michelin is known for. For drivers who want a tire that prioritizes long tread life, secure all-weather handling, and everyday driving comfort, the Michelin Defender 2 stands out as a dependable, long-term investment for modern vehicles. Number 4. Pirelli P7 All-Season Plus 3. The Pirelli P7 All-Season Plus 3 is a premium all-season touring tire engineered for drivers of coupes and sedans who want a refined balance of comfort, durability, and confident year-round performance. Designed with a sporty, directional tread pattern and an advanced rubber compound, the P7 All-Season Plus 3 delivers strong traction and precise handling in dry and wet conditions, while also providing dependable grip in light winter weather. One of its standout features is Pirelli's use of full-depth 3D sipes, which bite into the road surface to improve braking, cornering stability, and overall control, especially when roads are slick. These sipes maintain their effectiveness as the tire wears, ensuring consistent performance throughout its long lifespan. Backed by an impressive 70,000-mile limited manufacturer tread life warranty, this tire is built for longevity, with an innovative compound that helps reduce uneven wear and extends tread life without sacrificing performance. Comfort is another major strength, as the tire's computer-optimized design minimizes road noise and vibrations, creating a smooth and quiet ride that enhances daily driving for both drivers and passengers. With specifications like an 18-inch rim size, 235mm section width, 45 aspect ratio, 94 load index, and V-speed rating, the P7 All-Season Plus 3 is well suited for modern vehicles that demand stability, responsiveness, and efficiency. Supported by over 150 years of Pirelli's engineering excellence, dating back to its founding in Milan in 1872, this tire reflects the brand's deep commitment to innovation, premium quality, and real-world performance. For drivers seeking a reliable, comfortable, and long-lasting all-season tire with a sporty edge, the Pirelli P7 All-Season Plus 3 stands out as a smart and dependable choice. Number 3. Yokohama Avid Ascend GT. The Yokohama Avid Ascend GT is a premium all-season tire engineered to deliver a balanced blend of performance, comfort, and long-lasting durability for a wide range of vehicles, including coupes, sedans, CUVs, SUVs, minivans, and even performance-oriented cars. Designed with everyday driving in mind, this tire is backed by an impressive 65,000-mile limited manufacturer tread life warranty for standard fitments or front positions in staggered setups, while rear positions in staggered fitments are covered for 32,500 miles, giving drivers confidence in its longevity. At the core of its performance is Yokohama's advanced tri-blend rubber compound, which enhances traction on wet roads while maintaining flexibility in colder conditions for reliable light snow performance. The tire's asymmetric tread pattern, combined with hundreds of triple 3D sipes, creates strong grip and stable handling in dry, wet, and wintry conditions, while also promoting even wear over time. An ultra-square contact patch evenly distributes vehicle weight across the tread surface, further extending tread life and improving steering response. Comfort is another standout feature, as the multi-pitch tread design minimizes road noise, delivering a smooth and quiet ride ideal for daily commuting and long highway drives. With specifications such as a 15-inch rim size, 195mm section width, 65 aspect ratio, load index of 91, H-speed rating, and 1,356-pound load capacity, the Avid Ascend GT offers dependable performance without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Recognized with a Good Design Award from the Chicago Atheneum Museum of Architecture and Design, the Yokohama Avid Ascend GT proves that thoughtful engineering and stylish design can coexist, making it a smart, well-rounded choice for drivers seeking year-round reliability and refined driving manners. Number 2. Continental TrueContact Tour 54. The Continental TrueContact Tour 54 is a premium all-season touring tire designed for passenger cars and crossovers, delivering an ideal balance of longevity, comfort, and confident performance across a wide range of driving conditions. Built with Continental's advanced EcoPlus technology, this tire is engineered to improve fuel efficiency, optimize driving range, and reduce rolling resistance while still providing strong grip and dependable handling. One of its standout features is its impressive up to 80,000-mile limited manufacturer tread life warranty, making it an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize durability and long-term value. In everyday driving, the TrueContact Tour 54 shines with excellent wet braking and wet-to-dry handling, helping maintain stability and shorter stopping distances when roads are slick. The tread design also delivers reliable traction in light snow, making it a dependable option for year-round use in mild winter conditions. Comfort is another strong point, as the tire is engineered to keep road noise low, resulting in a quiet, smooth ride for both drivers and passengers, even during long highway trips. Sized for 18-inch rims with a 225mm section width, 50 aspect ratio, 95 load index, and H-speed rating, it offers a well-balanced fitment for modern sedans and crossovers that demand efficiency without sacrificing performance. The non-directional tread pattern allows for flexible rotation, helping extend tread life even further, while the 11/32 tread depth contributes to consistent grip throughout the tire's lifespan. Overall, the Continental TrueContact Tour 54 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a refined, fuel-efficient touring tire that delivers confident wet performance, light snow capability, long-lasting tread life, and a quiet, comfortable driving experience all year round. Number 1. Michelin CrossClimate 2. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 stands out as a premium all-season tire, engineered for drivers who demand year-round confidence, long-term durability, and consistently strong braking performance in changing road conditions. Designed with Michelin's advanced adaptive tread compound, the CrossClimate 2 intelligently responds to dry, wet, and cold surfaces, delivering reliable traction no matter the climate. Its directional tread pattern is specifically optimized to maximize road contact, allowing the tire to resist hydroplaning while significantly improving wet braking performance, even as the tire wears over time. On dry pavement, the CrossClimate 2 continues to impress, braking shorter than several leading competitive all-season tires, making it a dependable option for everyday commuting and long highway drives alike. Built to last, this tire offers exceptional longevity, delivering up to 1 extra year of tread life compared to 4 major competitors, reinforcing Michelin's reputation for durability and value. With a 60,000-mile manufacturer's treadwear limited warranty, backed by a 6-year standard limited warranty, drivers can trust that performance and safety won't fade prematurely. Sized at 235/60 R18XL, with a load index of 107 and a V-speed rating, the CrossClimate 2 supports up to 2,149 pounds per tire, making it suitable for SUVs, crossovers, and passenger vehicles that require both strength and stability. A 10/32" tread depth ensures confident grip from day one, while the tire's radial construction promotes even wear and smooth ride quality. Ultimately, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 is the smart choice for drivers seeking all-weather versatility, dependable stopping power, and premium tread life in one well-balanced, safety-focused tire designed to perform reliably in every season.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.